I'm in the middle of doing some painting on glass, and it has to do with the glass that's in these doors of the Seymour Secretary bookcase. This is the bookcase section, and down here in this rectangular piece of glass is this decoration, this gold colored decoration. In the original piece, this was actually gold leaf placed on the back side of the glass. It's called eglomise, that process of pasting down this gold leaf in a decoration. Now, I am not doing eglomise. I'm trying to create the look, but with a painted decoration. Here's one of the glasses that I've painted. This is the painted surface, this back of the glass, and then this is the front of the glass. Now what I've done first is to coat the glass with some blonde shellac, and hopefully that creates a better surface for this acrylic paint to stick. So I've applied the shellac and then applied the this acrylic gold colored, and that's what I'm doing here. Now in SketchUp I've got a full-size template like this, so all I've done is glued that template to the front face of the glass, and then I'm painting over on the back face of the glass using an artist brush like this little rectangular thing, and I just then try to carefully trace over a shape with this loaded paintbrush. And then that gets that line, and then I can turn this around and get the other line. So it's a little bit tedious, but there's only one more of these to go, and it'll probably take me an hour or so to finish this. This is all painted here, so I'm almost half done here with this. So eglomise is the name of that gold leaf process. I looked it up, and it doesn't seem like an impossible thing to do, but and maybe sometime I'll try it. I can always replace this painted set with an eglomise version if I ever decide to do that. Okay. I try to have a good clean line. After this dries, if I make a mistake, I can remove the paint. I can remove the paint actually with some chisels. I can just come up and straighten it out if it's needed. So I don't have to be perfect with the painting. I've got a way of improving it after it dries. So I've got to do this part of the arc. Now, after I finish the acrylic on here, then I seal it again with the shellac. And I'm hoping that gives it a little more stability. The nice thing about this acrylic is that it dries quickly. It's not like an oil paint. And it seems to stick to that shellac. Now there's a few little irregularities there in that line that I can work out with a little scraping with the chisel. For example, let me just show you how I can straighten out. This is dried over here, and if I want to just make that a nicer line, I can just pull that chisel and pull out just a tiny little sliver of acrylic. So this is one of the last things I need to do to finish up the Seymour secretary.